Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss how to solve sum of subset problem using backtracking. Then let us see what is the sum of subset problem. Sum of subset problem is to find possible subsets of a given set S is equal to S1, S2, Sn of n positive integers whose sum is equal to a given positive integer d. That is, for example, a given set S is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6, 8 and you want a sum value d is equal to 9, then there are two solutions or two subsets possible. Then a subset 1 is equal to 1, 2, 6 equal to 9. That is, choose the subset 1 including the elements 1, 2 and 6, and when you make the addition of 1 plus 2 plus 6 you will get the desired solution as a 9. 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 9. Similarly, another subset possible, subset 2 is equal to with two elements 1 and 8, and when you make the addition of 1 plus 8 you will get the desired value as the 9. Of course, but some instances of such problem is not possible. That is, for the given set S and with these elements, if the d value is 23, then generating subset is not possible, because by adding all these elements you will not get the maximum value as the 23. That's why sometime it is not possible to generate the optimal solution or the desired solution. Then for convenient, before we solve the sum of subset problem, and for our convenient, rearrange all the set elements are sorted in increasing order as shown below. That is, the first element is always less than the second element is less than the third element, and so on, for the convenient. The next, solve one example using backtracking, the sum of subset example. Then the given set is S with 4 elements as 3, 5, 6 and 7, and the desired d value is equal to 15, or the expected sum value from the subset d is equal to 15. Then initially design the state space tree, and you have to initialize the root element with a 0, and you have to assume the initial sum value is equal to 0, and that 0 represents the root element for this state space tree. Then next, in this state space tree or the subset, choose the first element as a 3 and put into the subset with the value 3. When you include the very first element into the subset and the first element is 3, you will get the new or the next node value as the 0 plus 3, that is 3. When you include the element 3 into the subset, then with the root element value 0 plus 3, you will get the next value as the 3. Then include the next element 5 into the subset, and with 5 you will get the next node value as 3 plus 5, it is 8. Then similarly, the number inside a node is the sum of elements already included in a subset represented by each node. Then next, consider, that is, you starts with the root element as a 0, include the first element 3 into the subset, you will get the next value as the 3. Similarly, include the next element as a 5, you will get the next node value as the 8. Then similarly, include the next element as the 6, you will get the next element with the 14. 6 plus 8 it is 14. And next, try to include the element 7 into the subset. But when you try to include the element 7 into the subset, that is 14 plus 7, it will become, the value become 21, and 21 is greater than 15. And it is not possible, now it is not possible to include the element 7 into the subset because it violates the constraint, and you are expecting some value or the d value is 15. That's why when you try to include the element 7 into this subset, then it violates the constraint. That's why you can terminate here. The cross mark indicates you are terminating or stop the further expanding this state space tree, because that violates the constraint. The cross mark indicates the terminating, and this is the reason why you are terminating the further expanding this state space tree, because 14 plus 7 is 21 and 21 is greater than 15. Then at this moment you have to terminate, and you have to backtrack comes back to this node 8. With 6 we will not get, and by this it is clear that with the element 6 we will not get the optimal solution or the desired solution. That's why you have to return back or backtrack to the node 8 and try to get the desired solution without including the element 6 into the subset. Now follow the next path without 6. Then without 6 you will remain the same value as the 8. Then again two possibilities, with 7 you will get 8 plus 7 as the 15, and this is the desired solution because you are expecting D is equal to 15. 8 plus 7 it is 15. And next one is one more possibility is without 7 it remains 8 itself, and 8 is less than 15. That's why again you have to terminate here. No need to expand the state space tree further, even though you will not get the desired solution. That's why from this you will get the desired solution with the subset including 3, 5 and 7. You will get one solution with D value is equal to 15. Then similarly return back here from this one with 5 and try to check the other possibility or generate other subsets without including 5. Then without including 5 this value remains 3 itself. Then with 6 it becomes 9, and when you include the 7, 9 plus 7 it will become 16, and again 16 is greater than 15. This is not an optimal solution. Similarly for without 6 it will become 3, and 3 plus 7 it less than 15, and it is not a desired solution. That is nothing but if you try it for all other possible subsets will not get the desired solution. Similarly from this one starts with again with the root element and starts without including the very first element 3. The left hand side you have started by generating the state space tree by including the very first element as the 3. Now we have to try the other possibility at the right hand side without designing the state space tree without including the very first element as a 3. Then without including the element 3, then 0 plus 0 it will become 0. Then include the element 5 with 5, then 0 plus 5 it will become 5. Then include the element 6, it will become 6. Then try to include the element 7, it will become 11 plus 7 is 18, and 18 is greater than 15. Again you have to terminate here. Then the without 6, 5 plus 5 it will remain 5 only, and 5 plus 7 it will become 12. This is also not an optimal solution. That's why you have to terminate here. Similarly for without 5 it will become 0 only, and when you include only subset 6 plus 7, included only elements 6 and 7 into the subset excluding 3 and 5, it will become 13, and again 13 is less than 15. Then in this state space tree it's clear that the only solution you will get when you design a subset by including elements 3, 5 and 7, and rest of the other subsets will not give the optimal solution or the desired solution, that is some value D is equal to 15. Then here from this state space tree it's clear that the desired solution or the subset is including the elements only 3, 5 and 7, and you have to cross verify it, that is 3 plus 5 it is 8, and 8 plus 7 it is 15. That is the desired solution.